Everybody, I am trying a different way to video as I'm driving. I took the I took the phone holder that I have that I usually leave right here by my side on the side window, so that way I can talk and drive too without losing concentration. And it is hands-free, but I don't know how much shake this is going to take. Okay, it seems to be doing okay. And for those of you all wondering, I'm only doing about 30 to 33 maybe, but yeah, I cannot stay off these country roads. Oh, but anyhow, today's just a chit chat. Don't really have anything to talk about except for one thing. I've had a few people really interested in how to make the rag quilt like I made my son. I'm thinking about I'm actually going to do a video, but I am wondering how many of you all would like to see it live. I've never done a live, and I'm kind of nervous about doing it. Yeah, I've never been a loss for words, but being live is something different. But if I go live, what I was thinking about doing is just going through what other people would want to do. The person I talked to last night said she would like to make a rag quilt, but she wants to start with something small like a lap quilt. So if I do it, I will do one the same size, because it's rather intimidating. I was going to make one for my bed, and that is queen size, but that may be a little overwhelming for those of you that's never done it before. But I want y'all to let me know whether you're interested in doing a live with me, or you would rather me just do a video. That way you can pause it or go back and review whatever. But you all let me know what you think. I don't know which way I'd rather do it. It's rather time consuming if you're going to be making the quilt. But I want to honor this request that I've had. And yes, I'm only going 20 now, so I probably wouldn't be going much faster than that, even if this truck wasn't in front of me. Because these is one of those kiss your butt bins. Yeah. I used to run these roads all the time, ride horses out this way. Makes me feel like I need to stick my foot out the door and kind of do a little scooter thing to get up some speed. Whoops. My foot slipped off the gas pedal. But anyhow, y'all let me know what you think. I think we're just about on top of the ridge, almost. You can see up there the road goes a little bit farther. Okay. Y'all let me know what you think about the quilt idea or the live video or whatever. You know, I know you guys are not going to be interested in the quilt or making it. Well, hey, who knows? I don't know. I watched this one guy on YouTube. It's called Man Sews, I think is the name of the channel. But anyhow, he's a man. No, he's not gay. And he sews all the time. So, okay. I'm going to get off here because I'm almost to where I am going. A few more bends here and there. But anyhow, I'm going to get off here and head home after this. I've been out running around a little bit. So I will talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. Stay safe and healthy. And y'all have a very Merry Christmas. I'll always be seeing you before then, but have a Merry Christmas. Y'all take care. Oh! We'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.